Have you been told that you have to go open up a small estate to have your loved one's medical malpractice wrongful death lawsuit investigated, and you're frustrated, you don't know what to do, and you're ready to give up? Let me suggest another way. Hi, I'm Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland. I've been doing this for over 30 years, and over that time, I've helped so many people get the justice and compensation they deserve. So I get it. You're frustrated. You've been asked to do something. The lawyer thinks it's a simple thing to do, but you're not finding it so simple. You've had to collect documents that you're not familiar with. You've had to go to a courthouse that you may not be familiar with, filling out forms that you're not familiar with, only to be told that when you get to the courthouse, you've done everything wrong and you have to start all over. And you're ready just to give up, just to throw in the towel and forget it. I've seen so many cases that don't even get investigated because we can't get the small estate opened up. And family members would rather just give up than to take a suggestion for another way. I get it. I understand. It's something that is not familiar to you and you don't want to do it or you can't do it. And now you're stuck because without getting that small estate opened up, there's no way a medical malpractice wrongful death lawsuit can be investigated. But let me suggest another way. I've been doing this a long time, as I said at the beginning of the video, and I understand this. I've had this happen so many times, and I've come up with a solution, but unfortunately, a lot of people just don't want to take my advice. There are lawyers out there that can help you do this. I'm not an estates and trust lawyer, so I can't help you do this. I can guide you through the process. I know the mechanics of what has to be done, but I'm just not an estates and trust lawyer, so I'm not comfortable giving you advice about that. But I know lawyers who will. Lawyers who do this day in and day out. It's really very simple for them to do. Now, here's the thing. They do charge. It's not very expensive. You have to pay them for their time. It should only take a couple of hours. And really, in the big scheme of things, it's not that much money when you compare what a medical malpractice lawsuit can get in compensation for your family. Now, I'm not minimizing any amount of money, and I know that things are sometimes tight, and you don't have extra money for something like this. But let me just give you another perspective. Suppose you had to go to the courthouse and make these appointments, and you had to use a sick day or a personal day, or you didn't get paid at all from your job from taking off to take care of this. What's the value of that? And if you did that, maybe the value of that is going to be more than paying a lawyer a reasonable cost to get this done for you. So please, let me suggest that you take my advice, and when you're faced with this situation, let me help you by getting someone that can help you and do this very easily and cost effectively. Because I don't want you to lose a medical malpractice lawsuit by not being able to investigate it. I don't want you to give up and surrender. There's too much at stake. So thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry if I had to have a candid conversation, but I've seen too many cases go by the wayside because we can't get this simple thing done. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button below. That way you can take advantage of all of my videos. I'm putting out lots of great content. And when you subscribe, you will be the first to be able to get that content as soon as it's hot off the press. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.